30215 part 2.
302
Feeling Delaware shit like 30215 BE to PHI. One man, one word, one man, one word. All by myself standing on the curb. All by myself standing on the curb. I ain't stopping till I get a bird. I ain't stopping till I get a bird. I'm just trying to make them fly like a flock of birds. I'm just trying to make them fly like a flock of birds. I'm riding around and I'm getting it. Money taller than a midget. Ice cold, look frigid. White girl, Brittany, Brandy, and Bridget. Money cold by the digits. I be rolling with my niggas. They be rolling with hammers, aka them biscuits. It'll get your hip hop. Walk up, get your leg shot. Ha! You wanna be a funny guy? Get your heart stopped like Red Fox. I'm thrown off my roof, nigga. Laid back in my coupe, nigga. Sipping on that syrup, aka that juice, nigga. Now this the part when I make a bird fly. This the part when I make a bird fly. No Illuminati looking through my third eye. No Illuminati looking through my third eye. Now this the part when I make a bird fly. Now this the part when I make a bird fly. No Illuminati looking through my third eye. Back with a new rhyme, new head, new track with a new 9. Hold that, get clapped 2 times. It's a rag that you get cause I use mine. Catch all of the paper like coupons. For the job of the jig I got 2 nines. Bitches always wanna stare like you fine. I ain't with a dope change, gotta get a dope. Maddie up high, fuckers you telling me not. Niggas ain't hot as I'm high. I be on Madison Prop, but Goonies just ready to rock and roll. Ho, I be on that. Ho, lean, what do you mean? Feel like a robot, a writing machine. Tell me to chill, that's when I go. You be like, yeah, I be like, no. Yeah, Maddi, Swish Maddi, the monster. Monster ready for war. The chopper go baraka, bullets knocking at your door. Won't be no happy camper, turn your camp into a small. Said I'm riding around, I'm getting it. Money taller than a midget. Ice cold, look frigid. White girl, Brandy, and Bridget. Said I'm riding around, I'm getting it. Money taller than a midget. Ice cold, look frigid. You dig it? Maddi out. Free my cousin King, free my cousin Seaboard. Free my cousin Seaboard. Well, my name's Swish Maddi out. Swish Maddi out. Delaware. Geek Squad, Geek Squad. No retard. No retard, no retard. These guys, Magic, Chris, Rico, it's the factory. Yeah, Swish Maddi, yo. All freestyle shit too, like. All off top. All I need is some loud, a little bit of juice, and some more loud. That shit clear as a mother. Yo, I'm telling you, dog. You can do this shit, dog. I'm telling you. All you gotta do is just spit that shit on.
This loud right here.
You gotta feel it, dog. I'm ready to do another hour. You hear me? Y'all niggas learn how to do some shit.
That's smart, bro.